Good morning students. I welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to see the interesting topic. Already we have seen prose, poem. Which one is missing? Supplementary is missing for that unit, na? It is a very interesting one because na, it's a story. Everybody likes to hear the story, yes? Are you ready to hear the story? Yes. Shall we enter into the story now? So, the supplementary, that name of the supplementary is Owli. The character of the story is Payal and Payal's mother. The character of the story is what? Payal and Payal's mother. Now, just see the mind map. This is the supplementary, so we should not go deep like a prose and poem. Just the story, if we know it is okay. So, Payal, this is the main character of the story, and here see Payal's mom, animal and bird lover. Yes, Payal and her mother, they are fond of animal and bird lover, and their house is not a large house, but they have the abandoned animals. Abandoned in the sense that animal, it does not take care of anybody. It is called as abandoned. Like for example, street dogs, injured cats, baby birds, etc. So she took care of that animals. She took care of kinds of animals. And one day, Shefali Didi is the name of the person, and she brought one box. So, inside the box, they were very curious, that Payal and her mother was very curious to see what is inside in the box, and they opened the box. They were very surprised to see that because one small owlet was sitting at the corner of that box. They were very surprised and they were very happy to see that. And because it was very small, very tiny, and she took Payal's mother, she took the owlet and she kept on her lap. Finally, she placed into the cage, and she named Payal and Payal's mother. Both they have some discussion which name is suitable for that owlet. And finally, they selected one name. The name is called Owli. So now they named the owlet as Owli. Now that name is okay. We have to give something to that Owli for eating. So they planned that again the discussion is going on with Payal and Payal's mother, which food is suitable for them. And Payal's mother said that owls, they'll eat only the non-veg, snakes, rats, insects, etc. But this Payal and Payal mother, they are pure vegetarian. They are pure vegetarian. They never touch non-veg. But they are in the condition now to feed something to that Owli. So Payal's mother said to she was kind-hearted lady, yes, Payal's mother. So she said to the Payal to buy some meat from the meat shop to feed that Owli, because the Owli eat only the meat. So this is the first time the meat is entering to the home, and mom smashed the meat because Owli is very tiny, very small. It did not know how to eat itself. So Payal's mother smashed that meat, and she forced it to the Owli's mouth. See, mom ordered meat, put it inside Owli's mouth. Owli fell down. All of a sudden, what happened? Owli fell down on the floor of the cage. Suddenly, they were very shocked. Payal and Payal mother, they were shocked. Why? What happened to that Owli? Just then, they have fed that to Owli. All of a sudden, it was fell down. So they were very shocked, and they thought themselves that they had mistaken and they have killed the Owli. and they started crying at last, and they have the conclusion to bury that owlie. Immediately what happened, you know, that owlie opened one eye and one other eye. They were very happy by seeing that the owlie was alive, and before that they were very shocked, and now they were very happy to see that owlie was alive. And now Payal took care. Payal looked after the owlie, and Payal's mother did not know which food is suitable and how to maintain the bird owlie. This is the first time that owl is there in the home. So she started reading some books. She started reading some books to know about this owlie, and Payal look after this owlie. See, Payal took care of mom, read owlie book. So next, and now owlie little bit it got grown up, and now it learned how to eat on its own. And Payal, when she had some meat in her hand, that little bird, that owlie, it takes from her hand. That is, Payal was very happy to see that. And actually owl is the night bird. We know that actually during the night time only that owl were very active, and during the daytime went for sleep. Yes, we all know that, yes. So owl night bird, sleep during day, active during night time. So next, and now the owlie learned how to eat on its own. Next step, owlie wants to fly. So this Payal let the owlie to fly. So we have to keep the owlie in separate room. So Payal and Payal mother decided to keep the owlie in separate room. So they have selected the library room as suitable for owlie, and because it has two doors, one door to the house and one door to the garden. It has two doors, one door to the house and one door to the garden. So, and now the owlie is in the library room. Now after that what happened? Now library room, and one day every morning when Payal goes to the school, and she gave some meat to the owlie, and she visits that owlie, and then only she usually she goes to the school. And after returning back from the school also the same thing will happen. One day what happened, after returning back from the school, she opened that door, and she was very shocked that all the doors are open, cage was open, the owlie was not there, and she was very shocked. Payal was very shocked and started crying, and she called her mother, and she said everything that owlie was missing, and started crying a lot. And Payal's mother convinced her, and don't worry, that owlie we can search, don't worry, that to be calm, that Payal mother make Payal to be calm. And she said to read some books for relaxation, and the Payal also obey what the Payal mother said. She sat on one place, and she started reading some books, and Payal mother searched everywhere, all the places, but she couldn't find where the owlie was. So next, so when they both were very upset, and sat on one side, and all of a sudden that Payal was noticed one place, that is that unusual objects that were kept in that place. So that place, she was noticed one bird was sitting there. She was very happy to see that, and she went near there, and then she had noticed that was owlie, and that Payal and Payal mother was very happy to see the owl there. So owlie also, it was like a pet there, and owlie liked that Payal and Payal mother, and they also liked Avli. This is the gist of the story. So the story got over. This is the gist. So now we are going to see everything in the book, line by line story. So listen. Mom, page number 103, supplementary, Avli. Mom, Payal yelled in panic. The meaning, so this I'll wrap. I hope that you understood the story. Now, the meaning we are going to see now. Yelled. Yelled is shout in a loud, sharp way. So yelled. Shout in a loud, sharp way. It is called as what? Yelled. So panic, panic is what? Fear. So mom, Payal yelled in panic. Avli is gone. That is, Avli has gone. The Payal is shouting. Where would she have gone, Payal? Her mother said crossly. She was right there sleeping in her cage a little while ago. Ago is what? Before. Ago, before. Her mother was saying that she had seen Avli just then before. How you are saying that Avli has gone somewhere, Avli was missing? But she is not there now. And mom, the door to the garden is open. That got Payal's mother running into the room. Sure enough, there was no sign of Avli. So Payal said that all the doors have opened, mom. So Payal's mother ran and she has also noticed that the Avli was not there in that room. What was an owl doing in a house? What was an owl doing in a house, you ask? Well, Payal's house was home to all kinds of creatures. Yes, why that owl was there in the house? Everybody can think, yes. So, but abandoned already I said, that is neglected animals are there that nobody doesn't care about it. So they are called as the abandoned animals. People brought lost dogs, injured cats and baby birds that had fallen out of their cages to Payal's mother. Payal's mother look after all the animals, abandoned, especially this abandoned animals. She was a very kind-hearted lady. So it wasn't that they had a large farm or even a large, they don't have a large house at all. In that house they had some animals and they are taking care of that animal. It's just that everyone knew that Payal's mom had a big heart. She was a kind-hearted lady. But even in a household used to such unexpected visitors, Avli's advent had been memorable. Shefali Didi had just turned up one day carrying a carton. Carton is C-A-R-T-O-N. Carton. It is a small, light box or container. This is called as carton. Small box. Already when I have explained in the story, I said that Shefali Didi is the name of the person. She brought one box. So that box it is called as carton. So when Payal's mother opened the carton, there was the smallest of owlets sitting in one corner. A small ball of brown and grey color. That is that owl color is brown and grey, and the owlet was very small and it was sitting at the corner of that box. Payal's mother picked her up gently and placed her in her lap. So, Payal's mother picked the owlet and she placed in her lap, talking to her just as she would to the dogs. She had never handled owl before. Actually, this is the first time of her to take care of that owl because she had only dogs, cats, birds, everything. But this is the first time she's handling the owl. So she was very careful not to get pegged. See, underline the word pegged, and the meaning of the pegged is bite something with its beak. So she was very careful not to get picked, she was very careful that if the owl bite her. So when the owl got used to her and seemed relaxed enough, Payal's mother placed her inside a cage. There were always empty cages in Payal's house. Just in case a bird dropped in, the baby owl climbed on the rod. Underline the word rod and write down the meaning. Rod is a long, thin metal or long thin metal. Okay, the rod is a long thin metal. And settled herself, that the cage, it is a baby owl climbed on the rod and settled herself. Mom, what shall we call her? Asked Payal, all excited. You choose a name, said her mother, smiling. How about Owlie? Asked Payal. So, Owlie it was. The name was settled. So, both were discussed and they finally named the owlet as Owlie. But there was a bigger problem. What does one feed, and that after that naming everything, now that they have to feed something to the owlie, yes? So the discussion is going on there. What does one feed an owl? Owls are hunters. The mom is saying that owls are hunters. They eat rats and snakes and frogs. And in Payal's house, they were all vegetarian. Okay, in Payal's house they are all vegetarian, even the dogs also. Payal's mother was totally anti-meat. But now that Owlie had come to stay, she had to get over her dislike for meat. That was another reason why that day was memorable, because that day, that is the first day the meat is entering to the Payal home. It was the first day that meat was brought to the house. Payal got the number from her friend. And called the meat shop to ask them to deliver half a kilogram of minced meat to the house. Minced meat is minced meat. Meat chopped very fine. Meat chopped very fine. So, as them, Payal got the number from the friend and called the meat shop to ask them to deliver a half kilogram of minced meat to the house. They put the meat before Owlie. So, turn the next page, 104. Of course, Owlie did not know what to do with it. Why? Because it was very small bird, so it did not know how to eat. So she was just a baby after all. If the mother owl had been there, she would have softened the meat and and shoved it down Owly's throat. Shoved is the push. P-U-S-H. Shoved it down Owly's throat. Payal's mother decided she had to be Mother Owl. She picked up a tiny bit of meat with her right hand and squished. S-Q-U-I-S-H-E-D. Squished. Squished is mashed. Mashed. So, squeezed it up until it was soft. Then, with her left hand, she pressed open Owly's beak. She pressed open Owly's beak and shoved the food down. In a second, Owly fell off her perch onto the floor of the cage. So then with her left hand she pressed open Owly's beak and shoved and pushed the food down. In a second, Owly fell off her and perched. See, perches come to rest or land. Land or come to rest. That is, the Owly fell down on the floor of the cage. She lay on her back on the floor of the cage with feet up in the air. Next, Mom, Payal cried, you have killed her. Payal's mother was equally adhust. Adhust is A-G-H-A-S-T. Adhust is filled with horror or shock. Equally adhust, that is filled with horror. That is, Payal is saying that to Mom that we both are killed the Owly, because the Owly fell down on the floor of the cage and Payal's mother, she was very shocked. Oh, she said, oh, what have I done? The poor little bird. After Payal and her mother had finished crying and hugging each other, they started talking bravely about where to bury Owly. Okay, everything it happened. So they have come in the conclusion to bury the Owly now. So just then Owly opened one eye and then the other. She got onto her feet and quietly climbed the perch. Payal learnt later that falling on her back and pretending is act. That is, that Owly is acting, pretending to be dead. Because of Owly is a way of defending danger. It has to tell that it was in some danger. So that it pretends that it was acting, that it pretend to be dead. Okay. So Payal learned later that falling on her back and pretending to be dead was Owly's way of defending herself against danger. Not that Payal's mother was a danger to Owly, we know, because Payal's mother was a kind-hearted lady, na? But Owly didn't know that. Owly was a very small, tiny bird, and it has to say that it was in the danger mode, that it pretended to be as a dead. But the baby owl did not know that then. So that was Owly's first day at home. Next, in the beginning, Owly in the beginning, Owly had to be forced to eat. That was mom's job. But Owly soon realized that if a hand came towards her, it meant food. Her mouth would open automatically and her beak would snap around what was offered. Only Owly found it difficult to know when she was being offered food and would try to take a bit out of any hand that came her way. This meant lots of bitten fingers for Payal and her mother. Actually, now they started feeding to the Owly, and they had the meat, and they have the meat in the hand, and they have the meat in the hand. Now they are going to feed, and this Owly, it was that Owly, it is very tiny, it is a very small bird, and it was thinking that some danger is coming near with it. So, but Payal and Payal mother, they are very kind hearted, and they wanted to feed something, to feed the meat to the Owly. But the Owly, it thought like that, and it opened the beak. And that Owly understood that food, they are providing only the food. So it opened the beak and it swallowed it. So thank you. The first session got over. Then the continuation of the next one we'll see later. Thank you, children.